How to get $30 Amazon working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Amazon coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website, Coupon Follow. You can also check out this website. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $10 off, $50 off, $25 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on it. With that, you will get the code. Now you can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Amazon. You'll be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of code. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Amazon. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Amazon. Just open this website and check out. Well, this way you can easily get $30 working coupon code for Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.